Let me show you how you can create a quick draft of a document using Microsoft Copilot. So when you open up Microsoft Word, this section appears on top with some suggestions and also a prompt box here. What do you want Copilot to draft? Now, if you start typing something, that information, those options go away. But if you go to the blank page again, click on Alt-I, like it says, this comes back again. So in my scenario, what I want to do is create an outline of a module for teaching Microsoft Copilot within the Microsoft 365 ecosystem. So I'm going to put a prompt here. Here's my prompt. Create an outline for a module for training people on Microsoft Copilot. It's an introduction module talking about where Copilot lives in your flow of work. Talk about what Copilot is, what Copilot is not, give key takeaways. Now, the most important thing is at the bottom here, make sure you create a document for an outline for 10 PowerPoint slides or less. For each slide, give me the title of the slide and 3 to 5 content bullets, and then also space out each slide in a section by itself. So you want to be very, very specific of what you want. Let's execute and see what it does. Okay, here we go. It's making the title of the document, subtitle, and then it's got each slide module, and it's got all the different sections. Great, that's what I want. So I can click on keep it, and I'm done. But let me show you one more thing, that if I was not specific, let me discard this and start this over again. Alt-I, if I had said something a little bit different, so let me change this. Let's just take out some things over here. Instead of PowerPoint, I'll just say slides. And then I won't say that at the bottom over here, okay? So a bit more generic. Create a document of an outline for 10 slides or less. Let's see what it does here. Okay, so you see how it made this whole thing into one running section. I don't want it to do that. I want it to be more specific for different sections, different modules. So I have to be very specific in what I'm asking. Specificity is key for prompting in any application. Doesn't matter if it's Microsoft Word or Excel, PowerPoint, or Microsoft 365 Chat, wherever. So that's how you can use prompt in Microsoft Word to create a draft of a document.